feels like a perfect night to dress up like hipsters and make fun of our exes. It feels like a perfect night for breakfast at midnight to fall in love with strangers. Yeah, we're happy, free, confused, and lonely at the same time. It's miserable and magical. Oh yeah, tonight's the night when we forget him.
How to install the processor and the CPU fan.
First, pull the lever away by 90 degrees. Then, locate the CPU cut edge. Press the lever do. And then, apply the thermal grease. Put the CPU fan down on the retention module and snap the 4 retention legs of the cooling fan into place. Place the heatsink in place and connect the CPU fan power cable.
Memory installation procedure.
The first thing to do is to fold the latches on each side of the memory slot. Then, align the memory module with the slot, and you must check the top of the slot. The last thing to do is to install the memory slightly to the slot and press. Install any last piece if you are using at least 2 sets of memory modules.